What's happening, y'all? Back with more authentic verifications of some shoes I'm pretty sure you've already seen because they've been out for a while, but I just haven't been doing videos. And we're going with the super big size 15 Crimson, which I would have thought this shoe would do much better, quote unquote, in resale, but it's not doing that great in resale, and that's good. That means that the hype and hysteria around the ones is starting to slow down, and that's a good thing. I know somebody's like, yeah, but you resell. Yeah, but I never resell at stupid prices, man. I typically resell, and I'm using StockX, and I do a lot of research. So if you go to the site, I write all these articles on the sneakers. But I really thought these were going to be like killer and elevate in price like a lot of these ones, but lately it's probably been about 5 or 6 different ones that have come out that are not doing very well. The stamp is super thick on this thing and blurred. See that? It's all blurred. But let's get to it. Put that there so you can see it. And that's Air Jordan 1 Low. The color is black Arctic orange. I said crimson tint, but it looks like crimson tint to me. Arctic orange and white. SRP is only $90. Style code is 553 558 034. This is a size 15. The UPC for the size 15 is specific to the size 15. Yours should be exactly the same. It's 194 957 035 472, and there's a 14 at the end. Now, why do I give that to you? Because on the back of the tongue, Nike puts their UPC on the back of the tongue. You'll get 2 zeros in front of it, but it should be the exact same number. I look at the last 3, 4, 7, 2, and it matches up, and I'm good to go. And as soon as I go onto the back of my tongue, I also look at the dates of production. The dates of production are 12, 16, 20, 2, 01, 31, 21. Why do I look at that? When I open up the box, like I said, the stamp up here, it's very blurred, but let's see if I can make it out. 21, 02, 09, 01. So that looks like 02, 09, 21. 02, 09, 21. And I said the second date, 01, 31, 21. You're talking about less than 2 weeks, so that's perfect. So my QC stamp matches up with my dates of production, so I know I can legitimately guess that these are not even guess. I know these are real shoes. Besides that, very often the fakes do not come in size 15, and we'll do our squeeze test to see if we can get any buckle out of this thing, and there's no buckle out of it. Shout out somewhere in America, Sia, for reminding me to start doing that as a test, which is to squeeze the shoe and see if the midsole and outsole are actually good quality structure. Just notice that these are kind of tumbled around the collar and on the swoosh, but not on the toe box. The toe box is, it's a leather. It's not a premium leather. It always feels like a PU to me. It's a polyurethane, right? So, you know, the quality on these, not that great, but it is a very good looking shoe. And like I always say, when I look at this shoe, man, I love the embroidered Jordan wings on the back. Super loud outside. But I guess that's it. Not going to stay on this very long. There's no need to. Nylon tongue with the embroidered Jumpman. That's it. Gonna wrap that up. Not staying on this long. I'll see you guys on the next one, which is coming right up. Got about 4 shoes to do right now.